Alright, today is combinations. If you hear screaming in the background, the kids are watching Stranger Things. It's not some weird thing where people are just screaming in my house. A combination is a grouping of objects or events in which the order does not matter. Christie's Diner offers customers a choice of 4 side dishes with each order. They can have carrots, corn, french fries, and mashed potatoes. How many different combinations of 3 side dishes can Kareem choose? Begin by listing all the possible choices of side dishes. Oops, I need my little pen, don't I? Because order does not matter, you can eliminate repeated triples. For example, 1, 2, 3 is already listed, so 2, 1, 3 can be eliminated. So we have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 4, 1, 3, 4, 2, 1, 3, 3, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2. So we're just going through and we're labeling all. So this is how they did it. This one, they left out 4. This one, they left out 3. This one, they left out 2. Okay? Same thing. This one, they left out 4. This one, they left out 3. This one, they left out 1. This one, they left out 4. This one, they left out 2. This one, they left out 1. See how they went about doing that? Now, we are going to eliminate any orders that have the same numbers. So 1, 2, 3. Well, 2, 1, 3 is the same. 3, 1, 2 is the same. Okay. 1, 2, 4. 2, 1, 4 is the same. 4, 1, 2 is the same. 1, 3, 4. 3, 1, 4 is the same. 4, 1, 3 is the same. 4, 2, 3. So, and then we have down here 4, 2, 3. Or 2, 3, 4. So 4, 2, 3 is the same. And 3, 2, 4 is the same. So there are 4 possible combinations of 3 side dishes Kareem can choose with his order. Laura is going to make a double dip cone from a choice of vanilla, chocolate, and strawberry. She wants each dip to be a different flavor. How many different cone combinations can she choose? So we're going to find the total possible combinations of 2 flavors Laura can choose. There are 3 flavor choices in all, and we can make a tree diagram to show the possible outcomes. So we can start with vanilla, strawberry, or chocolate. If we start with vanilla, we can either get strawberry or chocolate. If we get strawberry, we can either twist that with chocolate or vanilla. If we get chocolate, we can combine that with strawberry or vanilla. Okay? So, we count the ends of our trees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the tree diagram shows 6 possible ways, but each combination is listed twice. Because we have vanilla, if we list this out, we have vanilla strawberry, vanilla chocolate, strawberry chocolate, strawberry vanilla, chocolate strawberry, and chocolate vanilla. So we go cancel through those that are the same. So vanilla strawberry, we have one right there. Vanilla chocolate, we have one right there. Strawberry chocolate, we have one right there. So we take 6 divided by 2, and there are actually 3 possible outcomes. So go do your check it out. And you probably, easier thing to do than the little list of numbers that we did with Karen's Diner, is to do a tree diagram where you put, this is one option, and if I choose this, these are the things I can choose from that. This is my second option, and these are the things I can choose. This is my third option. These are the things I can choose second. Okay, so let's go ahead and get your check it out done and get started with our day.